Dėkui, ponia pirmininkė. Aš norėčiau, ponia komisarė, pasakyti, kad informavimo kampanija labai svarbu, kad medžiaga būtų parašta visomis Europos Sąjungos kalbomis. Ir labai tikėčiau, well, I will speak in English, maybe you cannot hear me, as I see Commissioner is busy. I just wanted to say that actually it's difficult to receive information in Lithuanian language because I'm representing here Lithuania, and if you try to call a free toll number which you have Europe Direct and ask a question in Lithuanian language, you will be advised to wait for half an hour. It's difficult to find books in Lithuanian language even here in our Parliament office for the visitors, because only booklets in main languages are available. I do understand this is a huge problem with interpretation and financial problem, but maybe you have to set some priorities, and would you be so kind to check once how Europe Direct centres operate in different languages, as for example Commissioner Kuneva is doing. Thank you.